when it is talked about equations, it must be having an equal sign. You could see the equal sign. Let's learn that how to solve this equation. Without doing it, you imagine what is the digit which is having here. I will write here blank plus 5 equals 7. What is the digit? Imagine. So that you can take 7, here we have written 5. A digit must be written, a digit should be written here. What is the digit? What is the digit that you written here? Written here. Think of it so that you can take some 2. Yes, you are okay. 2 plus 5, 7. So the value of y should be equals to 2. How can you take it? How can you find the value of y that 2? Y that 2. Let's find it. Y equals to, y can be taken that, here you could see positive 5. If it is having positive 5 or plus 5, then it is, you have to subtract plus 5, minus 5. You have to subtract 5. So, plus 5 minus 5. Here, 7 minus 5. Now simplify plus 5 and minus 5. That you can simplify. Y equals to 7 minus 5. So y equals to 2. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. X minus 1 equals to 8. How can you find the value of x? If it is negative 1 here, then it is added positive 1. To decide also, it is added positive 1. Positive 1, negative 1 and positive 1 can be simplified. X equals to 9. The other sum. Y plus 10 equals to 20. Let's find the value of y. Here plus 10. If it is plus 10, then subtract minus 7 from both sides. Now simplify plus 10 and minus 10. So the value of x is equals to, the value of y should be equals to 10. Y equals 10. Okay. The other one. The other sum. Fourth one. How can you do this one? 2a equals to 10. 2a equals to 10. Between 2 and a, it's having multiplication. If it is having multiplication, it is divided by 2. The two sides are divided by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 can be simplified. Now the value of a can be taken that 2 over 10 over 2 equals to 5. Let's do this one. 5a equals to 20. How can you find the value of a? Here you could see 5. So therefore both sides are divided by 5. Now 5 and 5 can be simplified. The value of a should be equals to 4. Now let's do this one. Understand that when it is divided, when it is multiplied, it should be divided. This sum. 2x minus 1 equals to 7. How can you solve this equation? 2x, here negative 1 or minus 1. So added plus 1 to both sides. Now simplify negative 1 and positive 1. So 2x equals to 7 plus 1, 8. Both sides are divided by 2. X should be equals to 4. The other sum. The other sum is 3x plus 5 equals to 3x plus 5 equals to how can I write it? 11. 3x plus 5 equals 11. How can you find the value of x? If it is here positive 5, then subtract 5. If it is plus 5, then minus 5. Minus 5. 5 subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify. Plus 5 and minus 5. 3x equals to 11 minus 5, 6. Now both sides are divided by 3. So x equals to 6 over 3 equals to 2. The other sum. How can you do this one? How can you do this one? How can you solve? How can you find the value of y of this sum? Y over 2 minus 3 equals to 10. Let's find the value of y of this equation. Y over 2, here you could see minus 3, therefore it is added plus 3 to both sides. Plus 3 to both sides. Now simplify minus 3 and plus 3. Now y over 2 equals to 10 plus 3, 13. How can you do this one? Y over 2 equals to 13. Now here 2, therefore both sides are multiplied by 2. Both sides are multiplied by 2. 2 and 2 simplify. Y equals to 13 times 2, 26. 26. The other equation. 2x over 3 minus 4 equals to uh, 3. How can you do this? How can you simplify this? How can you solve this? 2x over 3, here negative 4, plus 4 is added to both sides. If it is negative 4, it is added plus 4. If it is positive 4, subtract minus 4. Minus 4, therefore added plus 4. 3 plus 4. Now simplify minus 4 and plus 4. Here 2x over 3 equals to 3 plus 4, 7. 7. Now here in the denominator of this fraction you could see 3. Therefore it is multiplied by 3. The both sides are multiplied by 3. Now simplify so that you can simplify this 3 and this 3. Now simplify this 3 and this 3. Here 1. 1 times 2x, 2x. 2x equals to 7 times 3. What is 7 times 3? 21. 7 times 3, 21. Now the both sides are should be divided by 2. Simplify 2 and 2. The fraction 21 over 2 should be kept as a mixed number. Mixed number. In 21, how many 2 times 10? 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 10, 20. So that you can take 21, you have to write here 1. So 2 times 10, 20 plus 1, 21. 1. So the value of x can be kept as 10 and half. Okay.